In the name of Allah, welcome to back my channel YouTube Inaa Graphics. Today I am gradient logo design from start to finish. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Okay, let's start this video. Select the cursor, change this color. Select the gold cursor and create this here. Okay. Go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place and create this here. Okay. Go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place and create is here. Okay, select the two layer and group, Control plus G group, and select the all cursor and alignment. Select the gold cursor and create this here. Okay, my sketch is ready. Select the all design and select the shape tool and fill the any color. Okay, create this 3 layers. 1, 2 and 3. My logo is ready. And duplicate. Okay, select the logo and Control plus X, extra part, this remove, paste is here. Okay, select the fill color, gradient. Okay, set the gradient color 1 by 1 layers. Okay, select the layer, go to gradient and select this color, opacity 0%. Okay, go to gradient, go to transparent and select the multiply. Go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place. Go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place. Okay, select the layer and go to gradient and select this color and opacity 0%. Okay, go to transparent and select this multiply. Okay, that's good. Select the layer, go to gradient and 0%, this is color, 0% opacity. Okay, go to transparent and select the multiply. Okay, that's good. Select this layer, go to gradient, select this color and opacity 0%. Go to transparent and change this multiply. Okay, that's good. My logo is ready. Select the gold cursor and fill the any color, black. Okay, change this feather Okay, go to object and select the expand. Okay, create this hair shadow. Okay, that's good. Set the shadow and logo. Okay guys, my logo is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, next see you video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.